Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this pair is in a UK size 9 or US size 10 in the clay green white, gum light brown colorway. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid and then flipping over the paper wrapper right there to reveal the Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor in the clay green colorway. Okay, so let's pop the left hand side or left foot side off out of the box and set the box to one side as we take a close-up look at this side first. So straight away I can tell you it is a fairly light pair of skateboarding shoes. And so I'm going to give you close-up looks right around the shoe. So this is a UK size 9 or US size 10. And the upper cover of the shoe is in suede, so a suede upper cover, as you can see, nice close up right there. And some portions of that upper suede cover is perforated to keep your foot cool. And you can see the Air Max cushioning right there. So giving you some slow and nice close-ups of this pair of Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor in the clay green colorway. And on the undersole of the shoe you can see the light brown gum color right there, and of course the white color as well. So this pattern is described as a herringbone pattern, even though it is slightly wavy. So it's a wavy herringbone pattern, and of course it does have a very low profile design which gives you maximum performance and feel of your skateboard. And giving you a close-up look at the tongue here with the Nike SB MX Bruin branding. Of course, just let me remove that little bit of tissue right there. And just to show you the thickness of the padding as well. So this seems to be a slip-on kind of design. So I'm just going to turn the shoe right around so you have a nice view of the entire shoe in one go, and rotating it right around this way as well. So doing a turntable style rotation with my hands. So nice, good look all around, right, of the left foot side of the Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor in the clay green colorway. So this is the clay green, white, gum light brown, clay green colorway. Okay, so I'm going to set the left foot side down and pull out the other side. So let's flip that wrapping tissue paper over and remove the right foot side pair, and then we can close the box down again and making sure we've got everything removed from the box. So I'm just going to turn the box and set it to the side right there perhaps. Okay, so now we have both pairs, or the pair of Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor in the clay green colorway. So it does have a nice and relaxing color, the clay green color. And it's also available in other colors such as black, olive, and tan as well. So two versions of black, an olive, and a tan, in addition to this clay green colorway as you're seeing right here in the video. So right there, a nice frontal look at the pair and giving you some nice close-ups as well. So you can see the nice stitching as well as the suede cover on the pair right here. So this is in the size 9 with the Air Max cushioning, as you can see, in the already low profile design of the sole. So fairly lightweight pair of skateboarding shoes. Nice and low cut, and you can see the perforations on the suede cover for good ventilation of your foot. Keep it nice and comfortable and cool. And showing you that Air Max cushioning as well. So nice to see these fairly lightweight skateboarding shoes with the Air Max cushioning in the sole. Okay, so I'm just going to set the pair down with my hands out of the way, so at least you have a nice, good, unobstructed view of the Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor right there, and you can see the undersole of the pair with the white and brown light gum finish or color on them. And of course I should show you the flexibility as well of the sole. Always good to know. So you can see it does have a good amount of flexibility there. So it's going to give you that high performance and good board feel, as well as the Nike MX cushioning to protect your joints and feet from shock. Okay, so you can see without too much effort I am bending or have bent the Nike MX Bruin Vapor right there. So that's the Nike SB MX Bruin Vapor in clay green. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!